Welcome to Kitty Can Draw. Today we are going to learn how to draw a unicorn cat playing peekaboo inside a box. Draw the horn and the ears. Draw the sides of the face, the right side longer than the left. Draw the two front legs. Draw the eyes, one of them partially hidden behind the front leg. Then draw the nose and the whiskers. Now we are going to draw the box. You can use a ruler for this step. Draw a straight line intersecting the front legs. Another line intersecting the right ear and the horn. And the third shorter line on the other side. Draw the cat's body and the tail. Decorate the tail. Draw a short line intersecting the tail. Now to complete the box, you can use the ruler again. Draw 2 short lines coming down from the corners of the box. Then connect them with another straight line. Then draw a long line to make the side of the box. Congratulations! Now you can draw our Peekaboo unicorn cat. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. If you want to make some shadows, take a gray coloring pencil and make some shading near the drawn lines, gradually reducing the pressure on the pencil as you move away from the line.